Welcome to your Law of Attraction meditation, a powerful tool to help you manifest your dreams and desires. Let us work together to will your desires into reality. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension or stress with each breath you release. Let's begin by setting a clear intention for this meditation. What is it you desire? What are you manifesting today? State your dreams and desires with conviction and belief out loud. Now, I want you to visualize your desire as if it has already been achieved. Really feel the excitement and joy as if it's happening right now. Shift your focus to gratitude. Think about all the things you are grateful for in your life. Feel the love and appreciation for the blessings you have received. Gratitude opens the heart and aligns you with the positive energy of the universe. Take another moment to vividly visualize your dreams and desires. Imagine yourself living your ideal life, experiencing everything you desire with all your senses. See the colors, hear the sounds, feel the emotions, and embrace the success. Make your visualization as detailed and real as possible. As you continue visualizing, amplify the emotions associated with achieving your dreams. Feel the happiness, joy, love, and fulfillment in every cell of your being. These positive emotions are like magnets, attracting your dreams towards you. Repeat these affirmations with me. I am attracting abundance and success into my life. I am deserving of all the love and happiness that comes my way. I am aligned with the universe, and my dreams are manifesting effortlessly. Let go of any doubts or limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Release them into the universe, knowing that they no longer serve you. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your dreams are on their way to you. Feel the energetic connection with the universe. Recognize that you are a co-creator of your reality, and the universe is supporting you on this journey. Know that you are one with the abundant and creative energy of the universe. Express further gratitude to the universe for granting your dreams and desires. Thank the universe for its unwavering support and for bringing your dreams into reality. Take a few deep breaths, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Slowly open your eyes, carrying the feeling of gratitude and positive energy with you throughout your day. Remember, this law of attraction meditation is a tool to align your thoughts, emotions, and vibrations with your dreams and desires. Consistency and belief are essential in the manifestation process. Stay positive and continue to take inspired action towards your dreams, and watch as they start to unfold in your life. Trust in the universe and believe that you have the power to manifest the life you desire.